Hello, my name is Jared Forrest, Customer Project Engineering Manager with SICK. Today I'm highlighting our Doctor Vision solution. Really, what this solution is used for is to track any product, give customers the visibility and accuracy for any packages flowing in or out of their facility through any dock door. So the unique part about our solution is it uses an AI-based vision camera to track packages through its field of view, tied together with a Lector barcode reading camera. So those two in tandem can track any packages, whether they're singulated, whether they're bulk flow, touching, overlapping. The solution will track, count packages and assign the barcodes to those packages. Also with the system, we have the ability to reconcile any missed scans. So if a barcode is facing down, operator is able to reconcile that missed scan. And then we also have analytics here to help operators understand live system statuses and provide historical data to see how the solution is performing.